In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on Roblox to 13 plus. So if you have an account on Roblox that's under 13 years of age, then there's going to be certain restrictions on your account, certain experiences that you can't join. So if you entered the wrong birth date when setting up your account, you've probably tried coming over to the settings page. And if your account was set up by a guardian or parent, you're probably not going to have access to be able to change your birthday over here. So all you need to do instead is just head over to the Roblox URL and you're going to type in www.roblox.com/support and then hit enter. Now from here, you'll just need to fill out the information on this form. So just go through each of the steps. Make sure that for the email address, you enter the email address that's associated with your account. What device are you having the problem on? Select PC. For the type of help category, we're going to select age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. And then from the second drop down, click change child age. Then all you need to do in this description here is say something along the lines of, "Hi, when setting up my Roblox account, I accidentally entered the wrong birthday and I wasn't thinking too much about it. Please can you change my birthday to," and then enter your birth date. And then all you need to do is press continue. If you get this verification message pop up, just complete the puzzle and then you can press submit. So once you've submitted that support ticket, you'll then need to head over to the registered email address on your account. And you would have received an email that looks something similar to this. Now, this is an automated email just to acknowledge they have received your request. But to actually go and change the age on the account, they first need a parental permission. So what you need to do is in the email that you would have received in this automated email, you'll see this reference number. So all we're going to do is copy this number like so. And then you can just come down to the bottom of this email and click reply. And then you just need to reply to this email with the reference number that was listed above. And you basically just need to say in this message here that I am the parent or guardian of the account and I'd like to change my child's age from, and then you can enter your birth date. And once you've replied to this email with those details, it should take 24 to 48 hours for Roblox to update this for you. And that's basically the quickest way that you can update your age in Roblox. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.